Would you believe me if I said you could earn money online this week without leaving your room? I decided to put that idea to the test. For 7 days straight, I tried different online earning methods that people in 2025 are using to make real income. Some of these were simple side hustles anyone can start, while others required skills and strategy. By the end of the week, I learned which ones are actually worth your time and which ones barely pay for coffee. So let's count down the 10 legit ways I made money online in just 1 week. 10. Online surveys and market research. The first method I tested was surveys. They've been around forever, but I was curious if they still work in 2025. Platforms like Swagbucks, Toluna, and YouGov now offer surveys mixed with small tasks like rating YouTube ads or reviewing apps. Over 7 days, I earned $46.20. According to Statista, the global online survey industry is worth $4.18 billion in 2025, and brands are still paying for honest consumer opinions. It's easy, but the downside is low pay. This is best if you want spare cash, not a full income. 9. Selling stock photos and AI-generated art. For this test, I used both my own photography and some AI-generated designs created with Midjourney. Websites like Adobe Stock and Shutterstock now accept AI content if it's labeled properly. I uploaded 40 files, travel landscapes, business backgrounds, and digital art. After a week, I had 6 downloads, which earned me $28.50. It's not much up front, but stock libraries work on a passive model. Once your images are uploaded, they can keep selling for months or years. Fun fact, the stock image industry is projected to cross $5.2 billion by 2025, so creators who build large portfolios can make consistent passive income. 8. Freelance gigs on Fiverr and Upwork. After that, I tested freelancing, the classic way to earn money online. I set up 2 simple gigs, writing short blog posts and creating Instagram captions. Nothing fancy. On Fiverr, I listed a package for $10 per 300 words. On Upwork, I sent out 3 proposals to clients looking for quick content. By the end of the week, I landed 2 small jobs and earned $85. That might not sound like much, but here's the thing. Freelancing has no income ceiling. Some freelancers earn a full-time living writing, designing, or editing videos. In fact, Upwork reported that freelancers contributed $1.3 trillion to the US economy in 2023, and the demand has only grown since then. So if you have a skill, even something simple like proofreading or making PowerPoint slides, you can turn freelancing into real income. 7. Testing websites and apps. This one caught me by surprise. Companies pay people to test websites, apps, and even new software products before they officially launch. I signed up on user testing and Try My UI. Each test took around 15 to 20 minutes. Basically, I had to visit a website, click through features, and then record myself talking about what worked and what didn't. Some of the tests were for VR apps, which was pretty cool. In 1 week, I did 6 tests and made $95. For short, simple tasks, that's actually one of the better paying gigs, and it makes sense why companies pay. According to a 2025 report, the usability testing industry is worth nearly $2.6 billion. Businesses would rather spend $20 on testers now than lose customers later because their app is frustrating to use. If you're good at explaining your thoughts out loud, this is a solid side hustle. 6. Affiliate marketing with social media. Affiliate marketing isn't new, but it still works. I signed up for Amazon Associates and a couple of digital product affiliate programs. I created short TikTok-style videos recommending gadgets and linked them to my affiliate store. In just 7 days, I made $134 in commissions from 12 sales. The beauty of affiliate marketing is scalability. One viral video can bring hundreds of clicks. Insider Intelligence estimates that affiliate marketing will be a $15.7 billion industry in 2025. The key here is content. If you can create engaging posts or reviews, affiliate income can snowball over time. 5. Teaching and selling digital courses. Next, I decided to share something I already knew: basic Canva design. I recorded a short beginner-friendly course, uploaded it to Udemy, and also published some lessons on Skillshare. Since I already had some material prepared, it didn't take much time to polish and upload. In just 7 days, I earned $178 from 22 enrollments. The e-learning industry is massive. By 2030, it's expected to hit $475 billion. People are always looking for new skills, and platforms are hungry for teachers. The best part is that digital courses are semi-passive. Once you make them, they keep earning as long as students keep enrolling. Imagine creating one solid course and earning from it for years. 4. Print-on-demand stores. For this test, I opened a mini print-on-demand shop using Printful and connected it to Etsy. I created some simple t-shirt and hoodie designs with funny slogans and minimalist graphics. Etsy still has a ton of organic traffic, and it's a goldmine for niche designs. In 1 week, I sold 9 items and earned $212 in profit. The print-on-demand market was valued at $6.2 billion in 2024, and it's only growing as people want custom, personalized products. The key here is spotting trends. If you can create designs that tap into a meme, a fandom, or a cultural moment, you can sell fast. 3. YouTube automation. I wanted to see if faceless YouTube channels still make money. I created a short explainer video using AI voiceovers and stock footage, then monetized it with ads and affiliate links. In just 1 week, the video got 12,000 views and made $143 from ads and another $97 from affiliate sales. That's $240 total in 7 days. YouTube remains one of the strongest platforms for creators. In fact, YouTube paid out over $30 billion to creators in the last 3 years alone, and with Shorts monetization now expanding in 2025, there are even more opportunities. 2. Remote virtual assistants. For the second to last method, I tested being a virtual assistant. I signed up on Belay and Fancy Hands, offering help with email management, scheduling, and research. Within the week, I landed 1 short-term client who needed admin support. I worked about 8 hours in total and earned $300. That's nearly $40 an hour. And the crazy part is, the virtual assistant industry is predicted to grow by 22% annually through 2026. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and good at communication, this could easily become a long-term career. 1. Freelance writing for AI-driven platforms. Finally, the method that shocked me the most, freelance writing, but with a twist. Instead of writing everything from scratch, I worked on platforms like Jasper Marketplace and Copy.ai teams. These sites pay writers to refine, fact-check, and humanize AI-generated content. I worked on 3 projects, polishing AI drafts into publishable blog posts. My total earnings, $560 in just 7 days. This was the biggest eye-opener of the week. A lot of people think AI is killing writing jobs, but what's actually happening is the opposite. Companies are drowning in AI-generated text, and they need humans to make it readable, accurate, and engaging. Gartner predicts that by 2026, 80% of all content online will involve AI in some form. That means demand for human oversight is only going to grow. So after testing 10 online earning methods for a week, here's the bottom line. Surveys and stock photos are easy but low-paying, freelancing and virtual assistants are reliable, and digital products like courses or print on demand can scale big. But the biggest winner, editing AI-generated content. That one method made me more in 7 days than all the others combined. If you've been looking for proof that making money online is possible in 2025, this is it. But remember, consistency is the key. These methods only grow if you stick with them. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more experiments like this. Drop a comment telling me which method you'd try first. I'd love to hear your thoughts, because at the end of the day, the internet is full of opportunities. You just need to grab the right one.